Archaeology is deeply embedded in the public imagination and is a flexible, pedagogical tool to teach a variety of history, science, and geography subjects. Archaeology inspires students to contemplate a continuum of time and space through the material analysis of artefacts. Our interpretive classroom incursions enable a tactile understanding of human behaviour via material culture. We provide a range of curriculum-aligned, archaeology-themed activities suitable for both primary and secondary students. Our garbology exercise challenges assumptions that archaeology is solely focused on the ancient past. Archaeologists study discarded objects, and this exercise is an analogy designed to teach chronology, source analysis, dating methods, and critical thinking. Groups of students are provided with a clean bag of rubbish that has been sorted to reflect different household scenarios. This investigation requires the analytical skills needed on a real excavation. We use commonly discarded items to reconstruct social activities of a modern household. Our portable shoebox excavation allows students to dig up and analyse artefacts from a mock site, a demolished 20th century boarding house called Companion's Nest. This exercise requires students to become an archaeologist for the day and allows for the undertaking of a compressed archaeological journey. Students will formulate research questions, excavate, sieve, conduct artefact analysis and site interpretation. Notions of chronology and historical research will also be drawn upon. Our coin exercise allows students to compare and contrast different currencies, cultures, and value systems. This activity incorporates concepts of chronology and dating, source analysis, perspectives, and interpretations. Our archaeologists discuss notions of exchange, the origins of money, and modern coin production. Students analyse real coins to determine age, country of origin, material, value, and decipher imagery. Coins are a unique facet of material culture, and there is much to be discerned from these unassuming pieces of metal. Our experienced team of teaching archaeologists will bring the subject alive with their enthusiasm and knowledge. Other topics that we cover include maritime or underwater archaeology, Aboriginal archaeology, Lake Mungo and the ethics of human remains, and museum repatriation. But our team will gladly work with teachers to design activities that complement and enhance the learning experience.